Mastering who and whom. Unraveling relative pronouns. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of relative pronouns, with a focus on the words who and whom. These pronouns can sometimes be tricky, but with a bit of practice and understanding, you'll be using them like a pro. Let's start by understanding the basics. Who and whom are relative pronouns that are used to connect two related ideas into a single sentence, providing smoother and more sophisticated English. The main difference? Who is used as a subject pronoun, and whom is used as an object pronoun. Who is used when the pronoun is the subject of the clause. For example, the man who lives next door is a doctor. Whom is used when the pronoun is the object of the clause. For example, the man to whom I sold my car moved away. Remembering the difference can be hard, but here's a trick. When deciding between who and whom, try substituting he or she for who, and him or her for whom. If the sentence still makes sense, you've got it right. For example, correct, the man who he lives next door is a doctor. Incorrect, the man whom him lives next door is a doctor. Now that we understand the basics, let's practice with some exercises. 1. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. The woman, blank, you met at the party called. 2. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. The boy, blank, bike was stolen is very upset. 3. Correct the sentence. The person whom won the race is my friend. Here are the solutions. 1. The woman whom you met at the party called. 2. The boy whose bike was stolen is very upset. 3. The person who won the race is my friend. And that wraps up our lesson on who and whom. I hope this video has been helpful, and that you now feel more comfortable using these relative pronouns. Practice makes perfect, so keep using who and whom in your everyday English. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.